नाइस। खिले खिले साबूदाना खिचड़ी। देखो साबूदाना अलग अलग हो चुका है। नाउ आई विल सर्व दिस विथ groundnut chutney. This is going for order. How nice. खिले खिले साबूदाना खिचड़ी। देखो साबूदाना अलग अलग हो चुका है। Now I will serve this with groundnut chutney. As a customer ordered a sabudana khichdi, that is fasting, and I use rock salt, and this is a groundnut chutney. How is it? So in bulk order it is going. Small pick I have taken it using this type of packaging, and I have given a video. I'll put a link also. How nice it is. Thank you for watching. Hello guys, welcome to SoDelight. This is Mayadevi Reddy. Today I am going to prepare karam dosa. Before preparing dosa, first we have to prepare karam chutney, that is of tomato, red chilli, garlic, onion, cumin seed, salt to taste. Now I have put all these ingredients in a mixie jar. No need to add water because onion and tomato have sufficient water and it grinds nicely. Added potato also. It's right now. Adding groundnut powder so that the sago should not get stick. This is I am pouring sago. Salt to taste, and in slow flame we have to cook. I use small size sago. See how nice it is. And cover it in slow flame we have to do.